Hello guys, good morning. I am in front of my hotel and today guys we are going to San Diego Comic Con. So this is my first time to go to the biggest Comic Con in the world, San Diego Comic Con, and let's see what will we see there later. Okay. Hello guys, and we are here at San Diego Comic Con. So as you can see, this is the entrance and there's a lot of people here. So here we are. So there's Wolverine and Deadpool. So this is the San Diego Comic Con. So as you can see, this is a really big convention center, and we are going to cross the street going to the entrance of San Diego Comic Con. So we are crossing the street, and as you can see, this is the San Diego Convention Center. So here, Comic Con badge members only. Okay, so this is the one crossing the street. So we are here. So we'll enter here at gate E. So there, as you can see, so you will scan, and we are inside the convention center. So we are not yet still inside, we are just at the lobby, and from here we will go inside. So here we are. We start with E. Going inside. Wow. Hi. So here, Demon Slayer, Konami. So here is the Star Wars booth. Wow. Lots of people today. So here,
if you're only in line for Magic Art,
we are here with Star Wars, Hasbro. So these are the Comic Con exclusive sets.
right? I'm almost thinking because it's cool. Yeah, like.
And merong pila sa mga iba't ibang ano. So like if you're trying to buy something, merong pila to buy. So we're going now to the Marvel booth. So this one, Lucasfilm. So Star Wars, High Republic.
Like definitely, like I know you get back in charge of that stuff for the rest of the weekend.
Yeah, I brought my cord and that's
You don't medium?
So
Oh, I'm glad you did. Hey, what did you say already had that?
yes, I did.
Yeah.
I had it at one point.
If it found it username, that means you already have
so that meron sila mga binibentang mga shirts, jackets. Nice. Hallmark.
I'll just around there.
So we are here guys at the upper deck booth. as you can see, the X-Men trading card pack is sold out. So there's no more X-Men. SDCC exclusive. Okay. Ito yan, oh. Tignan mo, oh. May bumibili. Ayan yung last Harlemite to. Hanep. So guys, here's the booth of Alex Ross. So as you can see, original artworks, tapos yung mga prints. Grabe. Wala akong masabi. Sobrang ganda. So original yung print. Ayan na. Print, tapos original. Actually, yung print siya, mahal yung print. As you can see, ayan, maganda. So these are the originals. Ito mga prints. Hanep. So here we are at the Artist Alley here at Comic Con, and here in this booth is one of our own, Whilce Portacio and Ryan Benjamin. So Whilce Portacio is there. So as you can see, he has some prints. And guys, we are here and we will see our Filipino pride, the next comic artists. So there they are. Nandyan sino, nandyan si Ellery, si Von, ayan. Sir Jim Jimenez. Oh, si Sir Harvey. Ayan, nandyan si Sir Harvey. And mukhang marami na silang nabenta. Congrats to them. Ayan. Ito, Ryan Maynarding, Head of Visual Development. Ayan, si Adi Grano. Nice. So, ayan guys, tapos ito, another Filipino pride. Jay Anacleto, Stephen Segovia, Philip Tan. So, hanep.